From time to time, inquiring is becoming less efficient, especially when it comes to acquiring bunch of information. People around City of Caloocan needs to transact payments inside City Hall. Majority of visitors are not familiar with most information from transactions, requirements, procedures and even departments. All of these can be rather less efficient in just one inquiry. To close this gap, we proposed this system built for all visitors and even for employees inside the premise. Introducing Caloocan City Hall E Guide. Our proposed system highlights wayfinding mechanism which allows the visitors to have directions with simple directional arrows to its pinpointed room or department in just one tap. They can also find that department upon searching it.
Walk ahead and turn right at the corner. City Treasurer Office is located at the right side of the building. Walk ahead and turn right at the corner. City Treasurer Office is located at the... From your right position, walk straight ahead, go past the elevator and stairs. From your left position, walk straight ahead, go past the elevator and stairs.
This section of the system solely displays all functions of every department in the building together with its mission and vision. Along with department names and floor level, transactions will be displayed in accordance with the chosen department. Visitors will have the ability to choose desired transaction from a variety of transactions. Furthermore, visitors can look for a certain transaction via searching it as well. Most of transactions are laid in this wayfinding and information kiosk. Other than this, the system is also comprised with history and events which visitors and employees can view with. Leslie, to learn more about Caloocan City Hall, kindly tap the About Us button. This self-service wayfinding is a convenient way of navigation with easy-to-use interface.